Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a blog in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder. And to create your blog, simply click on these three dots or more settings. This window pops up. Look at the top, you will see a blog. Click on it. And now click on this start a blog button. And just like that, your new blog will appear in your navigation menu. And this is your blog homepage where you will find your latest blog post. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video, where you will find your latest blog posts. Hostinger automatically creates these 4 blog posts for your blog or for your site. And now, first thing, let's update my website. To not lose these changes, click on View Site. And now just click on Blog and you will see your blog section in Hostinger website builder. Now, how to delete these automatically added blog posts? It's simple. Just go back to your website builder and click on more settings and click on blog, and here from this list you will see a list of all available blog posts on your website. Here from this tab you can see the ones in the draft, the scheduled blog posts, and also the published ones. Now if you want to delete one of these blog posts, click on these 3 dots and select delete. Deleted blog posts are no longer available and will be permanently deleted. Yes, click on delete. And just like that, it was deleted from published. And to create a new blog post in your new blog, just click on this add new post button. You can use AI to write your article or create it yourself. Let's create it myself. Click on skip. I'll write it myself. This is your new blog post. Now to type your new blog post title, yes, click on post settings, and here you can fill in your post title, your post description, which will show up here under or below your blog post title. You can also edit your blog post URL, the authors, the post date, and also you can schedule it from here to be published later. Close this window, discard changes, yes. And here you can delete this photo like that. And you can start writing your article. Now to write your article, just select this text element and click on edit text. Click on delete and then hit enter. And as you see, now I can write my blog post here. And to add an image, it's simple. Just let's say that I will delete these empty lines. And now to add a page, click on add element. Then drag and drop this image element just like that. Now to edit or to replace this image, select it with your mouse and click on edit image. This new window pops up, click on replace image, and you can get your image uploaded from your computer, free images by pixels, or using your already available photos in your media library. After finishing writing your article to publish it, it is not simple. Here, instead of updating your website, you need to first change the status, yes, the blog post status from draft to public. And after that, click on update website. Now let's view my new blog post. Let's go to blog, and this should be my added article. And this is how to create a blog in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.